Welcome back to Keeping Up with Gaming with your boy Clutch here.
And J-Rock is in the building.
You know it already. What we're going to be doing is something a little different, guys. I hope you like it. We're going to be trying to do a no-laugh contest between me and my boy right here.
I got it.
I'm going to suck so bad. I know it. Because this shit, I haven't watched this video, so we don't even know what to expect. Let's just get into it. Try to see who can laugh the least amount.
And get a better view. Obviously, he's going to jump off.
This would be a very poor place to jump. Okay, that was one. One for me. One. Okay, one. I'm at one. Did you laugh on that last one?
I almost did. It didn't come out. No sound came out, but I had a gust of air.
Is that Peter? Shh. That was a laugh, though. That's 1 and 1.
Shit.
Mm-mm.
Thanks, Doc. I needed that. Nope. Hey, hold on. Let me fix you up. Thanks, Doc. Nope.
What?
Look at me. Get back out there. Nope. Nope.
Who's shooting him?
Thanks for the concept, Doc. Nope.
What?
Let's go. Nope.
That's kind of funny, but I can't laugh.
Mm-mm. It's not even that good.
Nope.
I like the character's commentary.
Thanks, Doc. You just saved my life.
Whew. Shh.
Stop. I like that, man. I know that situation too well. I love Call of Duty.
I'm good. I'm okay. That is definitely another one. Definitely it.
All right, back. Nope.
Okay, it's okay.
What is he kicking at? If that truck stops, I'ma laugh so hard. You're not even keeping score though, so
I'm keeping score, dude. I'm gonna add the counter on later, and you're losing. It's 2-3 right now. What the?
We've lost enough men already.
2-3. I'm winning. That is no. I longboard. I can relate.
Make it. Don't not. Add a little sneeze. A little bit of Overwatch.
Yeah, Overwatch.
That's definitely Call of Duty.
Okay. Okay.
What is this? This is like Metal Gear.
I'd be so pissed if I could not shoot this guy. I'm okay. That's 2-4, bro.
I got this.
2-4 is all good. 2-4.
Bro, he has a bomb run.
It was so. It was unexpected. I was not prepared.
Oh, that's Star Wars. Has to be.
This guy got trooper aim right here.
You laughed too soon, dog.
He didn't know this was a no laugh contest. Yeet.
What is this? Halo?
You suck.
Definitely Halo. Okay, something's gonna come out that. Okay, dope. You alright, dog?
I'm okay.
Oh, okay. I'm just checking.
It's just so.
Bro, can I laugh at you?
No. If you laugh, you lose.
What is
What?
that?
It's Overwatch.
I know, but why is it spinning like that? It's like a.
Is it infinite shit?
That's pretty badass. That must be War. Nah, War.
What?
2. Oh, I know this map very well. The funny thing is, it makes a sound when the train is going.
3 to 4. Fuck, the trucking train.
Come on, Josh, you gotta win.
Wait, what? What's happening?
I don't know. Looks like they made it off the boat.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
That's about my level of aim. He's...
Maybe missed it good. Parachute.
It's all Gucci.
Okay, you got
it's all
it, you got
Gucci.
it, you got it.
He good. What the heck? Okay.
What's this? Did you just steal your chain, bro?
Do-
Throw it. Oh, waste. Oh, it was GTA.
I can't do it anymore, bro.
Oh, that was slick.
Shut the- Stand up.
I've seen it too
Fuck it
many
up.
times.
Fuck it
Not
up. Fuck it
funny.
up.
Seen it too many times. Not funny.
Bro, I think I won this. That's
No, you
it.
didn't.
That's it.
You just laughed at the last one.
That's it. That's it. Tell me what you guys think of this. I'm pretty sure I won. I'm the winner right here. Your boy Clutch.
I'm sorry. He just got the mental hospital right now. He's kind of crazy right now.
Get outta here.
Obviously, I won.
All right.
The boy Bronx on W.
Let us know what you think of this video. If you like it, let us know, and we'll definitely make some more of these. If that's what you like.
Because I will win.
And I will. We'll see you in the next. Keep it next.
Talk correctly.
Okay.
You turned
Next
it into
time on
me.
Keeping Up with